Hello, my Algebra 1 parents. I just want to go through some things about this season in their life really quickly. And I think it's always easier to just show you what's going on in their life. So let me do a screen share here with you and pull up their calendar that I have posted on the wall in the classroom. So here we are looking at the month of November, and I've had November, October, November, December laid out for them since the beginning of October, because this is really when we start hitting Algebra 1. In Chapter 3, we looked at functions, which is a basic rule to any equation. And then now we're at linear functions, very, very specific. And we've been doing all these lessons throughout the month. And then we ended chapter 4 last Thursday, and they were given a practice test. And the practice test is actually much smaller than the actual test. Then they had Veterans Day. When they come into class this week, Monday and Tuesday, whether they're A day or B day, they will bring their practice test completed, and we will go through it. And then in class this time, we're going to be completing the study guide. And then, of course, I'll always do the video solutions. And then we'll have the chapter 4 test. We're going to have one lesson in chapter 5, which is systems of equations. So it's when two lines collide and the one shared point that they have. And then when they're gone for Thanksgiving break, right here, you can see they're going to be doing a project of everything that they did in chapter 4. I will introduce this project and give them the handout for it in class after they take their chapter 4 test. Okay. And then we have this amount of chapter 5. There's only 5 lessons in it. And then we review, take a test, then we go into finals review. Let me go ahead and stop sharing here, and let me pull up some helps for you guys. So when I go on to a few things that can help them on Learn on the website, right now they can see that they have the chapter 4 study guide and the practice test available, and they can reprint these if they want, or they can get an extra copy in class. The best way to do it is to practice. Every question that's on the study guide is question for question the exact same kind on the test, right? So no surprises at all. So they're going to correct it and get ready in class, and then they're going to watch the video and practice again. And the night before their test, between 7 and 8, I will hold a Zoom session for any final questions that they might have. Why is this so important? Because this is the largest test they've taken so far. It's like the semifinal, for real. The semifinal, right? Often, like with Super Bowl, the actual competition is in the playoff game, right? Because when they finally get to the Super Bowl, sometimes it's a mixed match. So this is similar. This is kind of like a semi-final, right? It's the biggest test they've taken, and most of the concepts they've never had before. So really crucial. Big challenges come big support, right? So we've been talking a lot about that. And then also, I want to introduce you to, or not introduce you, but remind you that on the YouTube channel, Mathemagical Girl, you can see that here there are all of chapter 4 if they got stuck on anything, right? And I just uploaded the practice test solutions, so they could be checking that already, okay? Then when they're gone for Thanksgiving break, this is the project they're going to be doing. It's called a match project. They're going to be given some information in slope-intercept form, in standard form, in y-intercept form, in slope, an ordered pair, and a graph. And they have to match what matches each thing. They present this on a personalized poster that with a theme. A lot of people use Christmas wrapping paper and do it like that, and I'll be showing samples in class of what that looks like. So they're going to be giving like this one set of information. These are all the standard form equations. There's 6 of them. They're going to match one of these with one of these with one of these, a slope, 2 points, and a graph. And then they have this missing one. So from some of this information, they'll have to fill in what that missing one is. And a hint to parents, it will be after they've matched everything that they know, there'll be one graph that doesn't have any matches, and then they'll take all the information from that graph and work backwards. Right, so this really solidifies these concepts before they go into chapter 5, which again is systems of equations, and really, really crucial. So I hope that helps you to be really clear of what's happening in these last few weeks. There's 6 instructional days left in this semester. I know it seems longer, but I only have them every other day. So they only have 12 instructional days in all of their class. So important not to miss any instruction as possible. But if you do, there's the YouTube channel, right? And I'll be loading chapter 5 pretty soon here, and you'll have everything you need. Anyway, take care. I pray for your students every single day. And if there's anything I can do to help, please reach out. God bless you and take care.